We've improved the management of ADs, service bulletins, and related records with the addition of two new standard fields, group and effective date, which can be enabled using the Customize Table button. Multi-part ADs can now be grouped together, along with any associated service bulletins, making it easier to manage related items in one place. When adding or editing an AD, you can specify both the group and effective date, conveniently located next to each other. You can organize the table more efficiently by filtering using the group column or applying the group by function. Additionally, entries can be sorted by effective date. We've also added all the compliance statuses for ADs and service bulletins that are not applicable, allowing more precise tracking. Dents and buckles and modifications repairs can be linked to tasks, with the option to assign each item to one or multiple tasks as needed. You can manage these links from the tasks table. Or directly within the modifications, repairs, or dents and buckles tables by selecting an entry and managing its links. Additionally, modifications repairs can be linked to ADs and service bulletins. To create a new link, select the entry, click the plus button, and choose the document you want to associate it with. If a work order with the same number already exists in the system, the software will automatically detect it and establish a connection. PDF reports for the components and ADSB tables now feature an improved layout with clearer display of linked tasks. Components report generation has been improved by allowing reports to be generated based on selected items. When creating a component report for a particular item, you can choose whether to include subcomponents along with the selected items. From purchase orders, you can now allocate transportation and other costs proportionally to the items you want to add to the inventory. By distributing these costs across the items in the purchase order, the system automatically calculates and adds the transportation cost to each individual unit. The same logic applies when costs are allocated based on item weight. To make the searching easier, we have also incorporated airworthiness review section to aircraft general view table and have added filtering by done date to work orders and modifications repairs.